মাননীয় চেয়ারম্যান অ্যাডভাইজরি কমিটি ফর ডেভেলপমেন্ট অফ কর্পোরেট স্যার ভাইস চেয়ারম্যান অ্যাডভাইজরি কমিটি ফর ডেভেলপমেন্ট অফ
Government of Tripura and Government of India should understand the sentiment of the indigenous community and the students. They should not play with the future of students, because students, they should be given rights to write in Roman script. We believe that these rights should be given to all indigenous communities. Government of Tripura and Government of India should very much understand the sentiment of the indigenous
Bortola Higher Secondary School, Hindi Higher Secondary School, Agartala, Ramthakur Boys Higher Secondary School, Ramthakur Girls Higher Secondary School, Vidyalaya. Shubrai Vidyamanti, Mahatma Memorial Higher Secondary School, Swami Dayalananda Vidyaniketan Class 12 School, Ramakrishna Ashram Vidyamanti Higher Secondary School, Agartala, Ramakrishna Vivekananda Vidyalananda Sri Krishna Mission School, Vivekananda Kolli, Kunjagan, Agartala, Ramakrishna Mission Vidyalaya, Vivekananda Vivekananda Agartala.